Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2026 Volvo V60 Cross Country. This is in crystal white metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This is the plus trim level, so it has leather seats, it has a 360 camera system, it has the climate package, so heated rear seats and heated steering wheel, and heated front seats in a Volvo are standard. I love those 19-inch wheels, those look super cool. This one happens to be a former service loaner, so it has just over 5,000 miles on it, and it also has a very generous discount on it. And it's a great way to get into a new car by checking out our demo inventory and loaner inventory. So when you come in for regular service, you can schedule a loaner to make your life a little less complicated. We also do Volvo Valet. So we can actually pick up your car for service and drop it off when it's done. This has a 5-star safety rating, keyless entry, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The Harman Kardon sound system is amazing. And it has the rubber mats. Those are slick. They snap into place and they are easy to clean. Little Swedish flag sewn in to every car, and you have Google Maps integrated right into the car. Turn this on. So this car has 5,139 miles on it, and it is ready for its new home. Give us a call and we'll get you down the road in your next new favorite car. This is stock number 26062 and it's available for immediate delivery at Portland Volvo. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Take care.